wey Mr. Okay give you. They bring that money come my shop now. I no wan hear story.
Hey, big boss. Oga, I greet you, sir. Oga, no dey worry. I dey on my way now. You go see me in the next 10 minutes.
Abeg talk, make that your 10 minutes be 10 minutes. I don't want any problem. I use God beg you, bring that money come.
Shut him, boss, shut him. I dey come now. No wahala. Go see me now. Guy, see this man don't see me finish. You don't know who they follow talk to. Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. Anyway, I no play Bamsha. I can quickly reach where I dey go.
70 years old man.
Oh yeah, my people, you don't said update don't day for street. Come and pick the highest number and double your money. No go dey waste time, oh. No go allow your guy to abuse you every day. Come and double your salary for here now.
70 years old man.
This one opportunity. So if I do this money, try double am. Last night, the two I go do that. I go try double this money. Like double am once. I go leave that work. Then from there, I shut down the whole time.
I could have killed a lot.
Come, Oga, you dey craze. So my business plan where you go dey daydream. If you know say no go play, come off in front of my business, I beg. See this chairman, you don't know where I be. They hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
This evening you will die.
I beg my brother, if this man no one play, make me quickly play 5,000.
Let's have it.
Sharp one, bro, sharp one. Oh yeah, mo try your luck. Oga, as you can see, na 3 card day for table. Just pick the highest number, and I will double your money. No wahala. See my 5,000 here. Sharp one, Oga, sharp one. We could start the game now.
Oh, Mumu no too much.
Oh yeah, Oga, pick the card where you want. Oga. Oh yeah, dey your head. I see Ronaldo. Now so, Kai. So this old man dey beside me here just double in 5,000. Now me I stand there like Mumu with 500k for nylon. I no fit double am. Make I come up on the hair walk. You know what? I will bet all the whole money. Now. Come guy, I won't play. I hope say you get money for your hand because me I won't put 500k. Oh guy, even though na 10 million, I go double am for you.
No be juju be that.
Correct. Now what I like here be that. I'll first start with this 500k. Once I win this one, I'll go look for 10 million. Oh your guy, they watch well, pick your card carefully.
70 years old man. This evening you will die.
Make I use time follow that old man. I say pick the first card. He win. Me say I will pick the first card too. Oh your guy, pick the card where you want.
Let's have it.
Guy, your guy, you pick the wrong card though. Sorry. Any Asha, make you rush, go come back. Hey God. I don't mess up again. God. Hey, wait till I go tell my Oga. Tell my Oga.
This evening you will die.
Come, Tom, come back. I get that place now, they wait for you. Why you never bring the money come?
Hey, you don't say it.
How far, Tom? You don't want talk, Abi? No wahala. I don't already suspect say something like this go happen. That money, that police I want to give out to, na their contribution for all the work wey they do for our community.
Hey, God. So now police money my Oga give me. Now I don't use go gamble now. Omo, as it be like this, now to quickly skip town.
This man.
Oh, they try them, Mr. Tom. We don't they find you up and downstairs. Where the money where your Oga give you? Oga police, good as you now come here. See this guy for this place just play me for 119 now. I beg me could me arrest and collect the money. Who you they talk about? We don't see anybody for here. Jesus! Jesus! This boy don't disappear. Hey, wahala. You know as they go now, Mr. Tom. We will reach station. You go explain better. Hi. Which kind of wahala be this one? This life don't tire me. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.